All right, so what's going on, man?
Not a whole lot. So this is a new floor plan XLR came out with. We're really excited about it.
Well, I told him there's a little extra.
Yeah,
I've already, there it is. There's the little extra.
It's the extra patio here off to the side. It's not something new to the industry. A lot of people used to have it but went away from it just because the floor plan just wasn't right for people. XLR is taking the best floor plans that they have right now, threw on the side patio, and I think that it's going to be an amazing seller. I think that they
that's awesome.
kind of re-innovated the side patio, and I think a lot of people are going to like this.
Yeah.
This is going to be the new 3412 is essentially the floor plan of it, but yeah, like you're saying, it's underneath
Still
the awning.
under the awning.
You still got the LED light strip on the side going all the way down it. When you fold this up, it folds up flush, and you still get cool features on the inside of the screen when it's actually folded up. On the bottom side, you know what? Let's walk in there.
Okay.
Let's walk over there and kind of swing back this way.
Starting off in the garage.
Well, I'm starting off out here on the patio.
Okay.
Just so that people can kind of see some of the features. I mean, when you walk right through it, you've got a glass door that's going to be coming out to the outside. So you can still see what's going on inside, but also you have the outside. But out here, you've got a TV bracket set up right here. You got a full power station right here, your speakers down at the bottom. And then another cool feature is going to be your outside refrigerator.
Oh, yeah, nice.
So, a lot of cool features on this outside patio deck. Now, it's also got an extra support down underneath it as well. So, plenty sturdy up here, a lot of cool features. Now, with this, you also still are getting this back patio deck too, though. So it's not like you're missing out on the back patio just because you got the side patio. You actually have two patios.
So you have your wife and her friends out here.
And then all the guys watching TV and the games over on the other side.
Yep.
So a lot of cool features. You get lights off on the back side of this as well. As you can see, we walk through the 3 Seasons patio door, which is a nice feature. A lot of people are liking the patio door because essentially you can leave this down while it's still, at the middle of the night and still keep the inside cool.
Yeah.
You can keep the bugs out. This down and keep the bugs out too, but the cool thing about this one, other than the, keeping the bugs out, like you said, but with it actually being the glass door, you can actually leave this out and not have to worry about heating or cooling the inside of it.
Right. Okay.
So that's a cool feature. Now, in the XLR also, obviously, we got the Happy Jack sofa. So sofa up top. We have 2 couches on the back side, but the door actually, you'll notice, is on the other side of the coach.
There's literally a back door. Normally, we call this one a back door.
But this one is going out the side of the coach here, and this is going to be the first camper that we've showed here at RV Wholesalers on all of our videos. Actually has the door off on the opposite side than you typically see. Plenty of storage back here as well. Second AC back here in the garage area. Storage up top. TV backer in here as well.
TV.
Yep. So another TV in here. So we've got 1, 2, 3. We can actually put 4 TVs here in this particular coach. So this is going to be that perfect tailgating camper there for you when it comes to campers and things like that. Now inside the actual area, you're going to have 1 sofa here that's going to fold out into a bed. You do have your 10 cubic foot. This is going to be an 8 cubic foot. I apologize. Refrigerator. So we swing in here.
I almost didn't even notice it over there.
Yeah, and they got it nice and matched up, so that way it's not just sticking out. More storage underneath. They're packing this guy full of storage. A little bit of a table here to sit beside you, an ottoman, storage up across the top, storage on top of the cabinets as well, and then drawers, cooktop, water, all that good stuff in here. We also got that closet right here.
Good deep closet.
It's your new sleeping area.
Yeah.
Sleep standing up.
I could crash in there.
You ever see like those astronaut videos where they like sleep in their pouches?
Oh, that little pod,
yeah, the
pouch
little
thing.
pod. Yeah, hang from the ceiling.
Yeah.
We'll get you taken care of with
Yeah,
one of
I
those.
can do that. I can do that.
Storage up top, fireplace, central vac system. Again, the TV right here. And then we've got the bathroom right here. And it's a walk-through bathroom, so we're walking through the bathroom into the master bedroom. All right, so plenty of room in terms of the different aspects of things. Again, there's another TV backer in here as well. with storage on both sides of these guys too. So
I like that
storage
big
up
old
top.
window too.
Well, and it makes it nice because you don't feel as claustrophobic in here. Because I mean, honestly, there's not a ton of like wiggle room in here. I mean, there's enough room to walk around the bed on my side, and you can walk up to the corner on your side. But you got a lot of area over there for your, you know, anything you want to put down on it. Plugs on the back side, and then, like you said, you have that huge window, and it actually has a pull-down screen to cover it up too.
So I'm assuming, is there just storage underneath here?
Yeah,
outside?
storage and generator. Yeah, so
Okay.
you got pass-through storage and generator right beside it. So that's why it's going to be packed like that, because obviously they're giving you room on the bottom side. So the XLR Hyper Lite is one of the few travel trailer toy haulers that you can actually put a generator in. So cool features in regards to that. But again, you also have a fan in here too, because the two ACs are in the back. You got a fan up front here, so that way you can help ventilate some of it. XLR is doing a great thing where they're actually going to the 4G wine guard system. Basically, you can purchase the wine guard, attach it up top there, and you have an additional, you know, wine guard set up. So that's Wi-Fi and 4G LTE.
Always connected.
Always connected, even while you're camping.
Yeah.
But again, this is one of our beautiful campers here. It's a brand new floor plan from XLR. Let's look at price point and things like that on this guy. Weight, you're looking at 10,000 pounds, 38 foot 8 inches long, 8 foot 6 wide. One slide sleeps 7. You're looking at roughly $49,225 and looking at about $370 a month.
That's awesome. All right.
So
very cool
features, and like I said, XLR's on the up and up. I mean, they've been doing great here for us. We've had some great success with them.
Yeah.
Really not much to complain about. You know, they've been getting this product in this crazy time we're in right now. Everybody's worried about where the product is and things like that. XLR's been doing a pretty good job. You know, plus or minus a few shortages here and there, but they've been doing a great job navigating through this entire process of.
And I may have missed it. Did you say this one is in stock, or?
I don't think so. I think this one's actually pre-sold. I'm not 100% sure on that. You'd have to call in just to make sure of that, though. If you are interested in this one, like I said, we're more than happy to help any way that we can.
But XLR is very good at getting stuff out.
XLR's been great. They've got quite a few campers coming in. They've got some of their smaller travel trailer toy haulers coming in. We've got actually a few of their big fifth wheels, the 37 TSX 13s. We got a few of those coming in here within the next couple of weeks. So, you know, if you guys are looking for one of those two, give us a call, because they're flying off the shelves. There's no doubt.
Great. What's the craziest thing? I may have asked you this before, but what's the craziest thing you've ever heard somebody getting a toy hauler for if they're not using it to haul a toy?
Yeah, so I think I officially hold the record for that. They were not hauling their toys around. They were hauling their cattle in it.
Really?
Yeah, so there was a cattle hauling, so that was an interesting one. And hey, that's who am I to judge?
Are those doors odor proof? I feel like
they've got vents on the sides, so he was all about it. He loved it. He loved the fact that he could live in here while his horses and cows were on the other side.
Well, and the crazy thing is they could. I mean, how easy would it be to clean that floor?
Oh, super easy. I mean, it's not too hard.
Yeah.
It's a industrial garage floor, so I mean,
wow.
In theory, it's fine, but I can't wrap my head around it. But hey, what is it to anybody else, right? I mean, that's why we have cattle haulers and things like that, in my opinion. But hey, who am I to judge?
I had not heard you mention that.
Yeah, no, that's a
good one.
That was a good one. You know, I've had people turn that back into their living rooms, so that way they get an extra living room.
Yeah.
Kids room. You know, I actually had one guy who turned that back into an entire jungle gym, so it was actually really cool to see that one.
I mean, you could even turn it just into a gym, period.
Period, period. So, I mean, like I said, there's plenty of room back there. You know, on this particular one, I think it's a 11-foot garage by 8 foot wide. So, I mean, you've got plenty of room to really do just about whatever you want in it.
That's awesome.
A lot of people right now that they're living in campers, they're picking up these toy haulers because you have an additional room there that it's blank room. You know, do what you want. Office, you know, another bedroom. A lot of opportunities in terms of toy haulers.
That's awesome. And I assume it'd probably be fairly easy, like if you're never going to haul a toy in that, for yourself to put down a floor in there that isn't as industrial looking.
It's a square, you know what I mean? So it's you can put pretty much whatever you want in there. I know that the people that turned it into like their jungle gym or whatever, they put that hard rubber down, so that way the kids, if they did fall, it wouldn't be too bad.
That's awesome.
Obviously,
so
if you
cool.
fall, you fall. But
all right.